Hey smart home enthusiasts and security-conscious homeowners, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself locked out? Or maybe you've forgotten your code for your trusty Schlage FE595 Keypad lock? Or perhaps you're setting up a new lock and need to clear out old programming. You're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an essential skill for any Schlage FE595 owner: how to perform a full factory reset. This process can fix many common issues, clear all user codes, and get your lock ready for fresh programming. Let's get started. What a reset does and when you need it. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly talk about why you might need to reset your Schlage FE595. A factory reset will clear all existing user codes, perfect if you've forgotten them or want a fresh start. Remove the default programming code, essential for security if you're taking over a previously used lock. Restore all settings to their original factory defaults. This can often resolve glitches or connectivity issues. Prepare the lock for a new owner or installation. So, whether it's troubleshooting, security, or simply starting fresh, knowing how to reset your Schlage FE595 Keypad lock is super handy. Alright, let's get down to the actual reset process. It's straightforward, but precision is key. Follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Access the battery cover. First things first, you'll need to be on the inside of your door. Locate the thumb turn assembly on the interior side of your Schlage FE595 lock. You'll see two screws holding the battery cover in place. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver. To Step 2. Remove batteries. Once the screws are out, carefully remove the battery cover. Now, remove both AA batteries from the battery pack. This completely powers down the unit, which is crucial for the reset. Visual, close-up of removing the battery cover, then pulling out the batteries. Step 3. Disconnect the battery cable. Crucial step. This is a step many people miss. Look for the small white plastic connector that connects the battery pack to the main lock assembly. Gently pull this connector apart. You want to completely disconnect the power source. Step 4. Press and hold the Schlage button. Now, move to the exterior side of your door. On the keypad, locate the Schlage button. That's the main button with the logo. Press and hold down this Schlage button. Keep it pressed. Step 5. Reconnect power and reinsert batteries while holding Schlage button. While still holding the Schlage button on the outside, go back to the interior side of the door. First, reconnect the small white battery cable connector you pulled apart earlier. Make sure it clicks securely into place. Then, immediately reinsert both AA batteries into the battery pack. Step 6. Release the Schlage button. Once the batteries are back in and the cable is connected, you can now release the Schlage button on the exterior keypad. You should hear a distinctive beep, and the keypad lights might flash, indicating the reset was successful. Step 7. Test the default programming code. Important. After a factory reset, your Schlage FE595 lock reverts to a default 6-digit programming code. This code is usually found on a sticker on the interior assembly of the lock or on the original packaging. To test, enter the default programming code, then press the Schlage button. If it works, your lock is successfully reset and ready for new user codes. Special tips and troubleshooting FAQs. Here are a few pro tips and answers to common questions about resetting your Schlage FE595. I didn't hear a beep. Double check that you held the Schlage button continuously from Step 4 through Step 6. Ensure the battery cable was fully disconnected and reconnected. Sometimes, fresh batteries can help if yours are low. Why can't I use my old user codes? After a factory reset, all previous user codes are erased for security. You'll need to program new ones. What if I don't have the default programming code? This code is crucial for initial setup and programming after a reset. It's usually on a sticker on the interior mechanism. If you can't find it, you might need to contact Schlage support with your lock's serial number. My lock is still acting up. If a factory reset doesn't solve your issue, consider checking for physical obstructions in the door frame or if the deadbolt is properly aligned. Sometimes the problem might not be electronic. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to perform a factory reset on your Schlage FE595 keypad lock. This skill is incredibly valuable for maintaining your smart home security and ensuring your lock operates flawlessly. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more practical smart home tutorials, product reviews on electronic locks, thermostats like Honeywell and Brayburn, and all things tech. Got questions or other Schlage FE595 tips? Drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.